Here on Route 33 in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and as you can see, the roads are getting worse. Snow is beginning to fall a little bit heavier, and snowfall will get heavier throughout the night, peaking around 2 to 6 in the morning, then switching over to sleet tomorrow afternoon. A little bit of freezing rain is going to mix in there. Roads will not be drivable here going into the overnight hours. I would stay off the roads if possible. Even if you have a truck, you can't drive on snow. This was probably going to amount to about 8 to 12 inches across the valley, 10 to 16 the further north you go. I-64 and I-81 are growing extremely undrivable, could be shut down come the morning. So you guys be safe out there. Stay off the roads going into the overnight hours. We're out here in Harrisonburg, Virginia on Port Republic Road, and I've seen a couple cars get stuck. This guy is trying to climb the hill, but there's too much snow and a sleet covered sheet of ice on the road. Cars are getting stuck, and it's a dangerous situation if you try to go out and drive. Stay off the roads as this situation comes. Plows are trying to do their job. We just saw a plow almost hit this guy actually coming up the road. He spun his tires. So guys, please stay off the roads. Be careful out there and don't put yourself in this predicament, as you can wreck your car or worse. So guys, please be safe.